28, 2021. This one I got a call from a lady over the weekend, no AC. Yeah, and I give her the price of going out on a weekend. Told her, well, maybe you want to wait for me on Monday morning. So, one of those deals. We'll go in there Monday morning and see what's going on with the system. No AC. I work on the weekends, but they're going to pay me more money. They want me to go out. If not, put you on a list for Monday morning. Anyway, I'll try to get you some shots when I get there. Mrs. Molly and Mr. Grinch are on there. Oh man, Mr. Grinch. We're on our way. Give them the filter for now. They're gonna run out and get some more.
I just wrote down my phone, so I'll have it.
You got it? Yeah? Alright. We'll get this in there for now. You're gonna need to get more filters.
We will.
But this, at least we can run it.
This afternoon we'll go up.
And you know how to do that? You gotta take the top door off the bottom door, and the filter goes in.
Yeah, I don't. We'll have to maybe.
Can you figure that out?
Not really. I'm not savvy particularly.
Was the outside unit running? No.
No, it hasn't been running. Period. The
Okay.
thermostat's been working, but that's it. And I even changed the batteries, thinking that was the problem.
We'll check it out. So this, you got a ream downstairs, and you got to.
So it's right here, 81 degrees. I'll just turn light on, cooling. I changed the batteries recently.
Okay. And it's set for 68, so we'll set that for 70.
Okay.
Automatic and cooling, so it is calling for cooling, but the outside unit's not running.
Yeah, last I checked it wasn't.
Yep. Yeah, it might be something simple. Let's see.
Yeah, that would be nice.
I think it worked, Mom.
Working already.
Well, let's see what's going on.
It's on at least.
Yeah, it's out though.
Yep, it's spinning. So we have occasionally a little dirt from that dirt mound over there. Not anything from that can usually affect this, right?
Using a leaf blower.
It's probably going to be low on gas. Let me check it, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to check and see if there's mice in there, but.
Okay.
You're going to have to get new filters for inside, though.
Yeah, definitely.
That's very important.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're definitely gonna get them
And
today.
you want to buy the cheap ones. Don't buy nothing too expensive because you need airflow.
Okay.
Okay?
Where do you usually go? Do you go to Lowe's or do you go to,
Yeah, Lowe's, Home Depot, that's fine.
okay.
I guess you can get them most of us.
Get like the low, if you're gonna get like a pleated one, get like the low, like a MERV 4, which is a lower end, which you need airflow.
A MERV 4.
Yeah, this all looks fine in here. We're gonna check the charge. It might have been that your it seems like when I took that door off downstairs, the thing came on, the fan came on. The fan wasn't running when I got here, so it might have been a problem with the door switch. And when I took the door off, it fired right up.
I heard it go off too. I heard that.
So if the fan wasn't working inside with a bad door switch, the thing wouldn't have ran.
Yeah.
So it's possible. Let's check the charge while I'm here, okay?
Yeah.
Oh, the charge looks fine.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah. Superheat's at 17, that's fine. Subcooling's a little high, but suction's at 70. I think it was just the door switch downstairs, because as soon as I took the door off, the fan started.
Wow.
And then this started running.
Sure.
Yeah.
The subcoolant, is that something you need to worry about?
No, that'll be alright.
Okay.
So you said for the new filter.
If anything, we want to hit this. You got a garden hose? I got to hit this coil on the way out. It's a little dirty back here. You got a garden hose?
No, because the garden hose, I would
Just this back's a little dirty here. Give it a good flushing. Yeah, when you put that door on downstairs, you gotta make sure you clip it in there right, or that thing won't run.
That's right, I know that. Yeah, I remember that.
See what I'm doing here? Giving it a good, I mean, that don't hurt to give it a cleaning once a year.
Yeah, and you can see down at the bottom, there's still stuff. See it? Way down there?
Yeah, you can flush all that out with a hose. See it?
Yeah, I know.
You want to give that thing a good cleaning, all right?
Yeah.
I mean, this is something that your son could do.
Yeah. I've got to get a new hose.
You got to keep this coil clean.
Yeah.
Cleaning the coil will lower your subcooling down. That was a little high, but
What was high now?
Subcooling was a little bit high.
subcooling was a little high.
Subcooling.
Yeah, that's because the coil was dirty, you know. We'll give it a good cleaning now, and you'll be all right. It could be, you might have a bad thermostat there too. The thermostat just, you know, might be an issue with the thermostat. It's working now.
Yeah. Why does it look like it's
Well, when I opened the door and to check the filter, the thing came on. It wasn't running before.
Yes, I remember. Yeah.
So as soon as I shut the power off, it seemed to come on.
Yeah.
So you got something that's sticking, or something that, you know, it could be the thermostat. I don't know. It's working now, so we leave it, right?
Yeah. Where do you buy a thermostat?
Well, it might not be that. Why don't you wait and see if it acts up again, okay?